Is it?
Yes.
What's the problem? I look you so good.
I have a project next week and I'm super busy and I need to study as well.
So, did anything I can help you?
Get a heap of problems. You can help me by giving me more motivation.
You want me to motivate you? Do I look like a motivator to you? But I cannot give the motivation to you, but I think I can help you with the project.
Really?
Yes, but you need to give all detail about the project to me so that I can print it and give it to you. Settle.
I got a really big deal here. Izzat doesn't know that I really hate him. I must avenge him, cause I really want him to help me since I'm also busy with my works. But Izzat always said that he is busy. I have a lot of work to do, but he's not there for me. What kind of friend is he? I hate him. I must do something. I must corrupt his work. I must give revenge.
I need you to help me with this idea. This will be used in the project that I will be presenting in the tournament.
So this is all of your idea for the
Yeah.
tournament?
Yeah.
It's a great idea.
Yeah, thank you.
You have great mind, big brain.
Yes, I do.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
May I know what's your name?
Oh, my name is Izzat.
Okay, Izzat, could you please describe your prototype?
So basically, this is the thing you put in your ear,
Yeah.
and then suddenly you hear sounds.
Hope you good luck in your conversation. Although I don't think so.
Shafiq?
Hello, good afternoon. May I know what's your name?
I'm Shafiq.
Shafiq. Okay, Shafiq. Please introduce your prototype.
So this is my prototype from
Yes.
my own idea, original idea. Again, please try. How is it? It's good, right?
It's pretty good.
Announcing the winner of UTP Innovation Competition goes to Muhammad Shafiq.
What is this, man? I spent a month trying to think of the idea, but now it's gone, taken by that fool. Shafi! That imposter. How dare he?